ndo changu chikafu ndirako mwanangu ndirako tiri kuona bhora zvedu nhasi musi wenyu yenai tichiona bhora yatimboita zvekudya New Year's Eve.
Defensive play impressing the Algerian. Just offensive play. It's the how to play. So you did a little bit of treatment.
That's it to the cafe.
Under 20, level under 23 as well. He is only 23 still. Didn't just catch it. A little bit of the underside of the boot as he went out. And here's the ball forward into Chinese. Lovely twist and turn. Once again, unleashed. Demonstration for the Kina. Really impressive.
I'm doing Mama.
In the first game, and then he lasted an hour before being replaced by Naga.
Mama
Wasn't the creative
Very.
he's
Anan
put that right today.
Original room. Nana Tais. And was seguro.
sekuru wapi
Vekumba kwelu.
anduzvinzwaya ndiviri vasekuru
How impressed he is by Haj Musa's display. He went rather chilly. He's with America. He was wearing gloves the last game against Sudan.
What is
ona
it?
mama wafushira nyama pasi peraisi iri ravovheneka iri nefoni kuiona kwaiti raisi regirini kozregirini zvizi
E macaroni.
The Icelandic.
Macaroni.
anozwa sauti
Ah.
Crowds behind the Equatorial Guinea goal.
Neden? Neden de pevasti sein?
Into the middle it goes.
Dedi. Ipoze.
ya thanks so much guys tiri kumbodya takamirira manheru tambodya kuti kwatetevhi
Thinking of the atmosphere once again.
Weißt du, was ich kenne?
aiwa
Weißt du, ich kenne den Nandos. Würde ich gehen. Bye-bye.
Looking
I should be like.
in the other game.
Ja, die Princess. Quasi. Daddy, die Katze.
Going through in
Huh?
the second
Got
race. Should they
wati
Die Katze. Ma?
mama ari kudya ka handisipesirimo tora vhidhiyo
Waye, patoda kuti. Da. Ndo da kwe.
looks like a handball from Mondi.
Not even 20.
So Guinea will have the free kick. And they will make some more changes as well.
In Deutschland direkt da.
Little.
Sogar gehen da nicht.
Now,
Guarno.
Joel, central midfielder coming on, as well as Prince and Michael and Garbocio. Left back. That's it done for Charles Ondo.
Não pôs ainda.